In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect make.com to OpenAI. If you've ever wanted to weave AI into your automations without writing code, this is a straightforward way to do it. Make.com lets you drop OpenAI modules right into your workflows, so you can generate text, create images, transcribe audio, or translate language automatically as your data moves from one app to another. Before we start, make sure you have an OpenAI API key. Head to the OpenAI dashboard, generate a new key, and copy it somewhere secure. Treat it like a password and don't share it publicly. You'll paste this key into Make to link your OpenAI account, and you can revoke or rotate it anytime from your OpenAI settings if you need to. Open make.com and sign in. From the dashboard, create a new scenario to get a blank canvas. This is where you'll chain together the apps and actions that run your automation. Click the plus button on the canvas, search for OpenAI, and select it. Adding this module tells your scenario that it's going to talk to OpenAI for part of the job. Choose the OpenAI action you want, and Make will prompt you to add a connection. Give the connection a clear name, paste your API key into the field, and save. That securely links your OpenAI account to this scenario so you can use the available features without leaving Make. Next, decide what you want OpenAI to do. You can generate text responses, create images from prompts, transcribe audio files into text, or translate content between languages. Each action has fields where you provide the prompt or input, along with optional settings. Be specific and concise in your instructions to get reliable results, and preview the output structure so you know what data you'll pass forward. To make it useful, add inputs and outputs around the OpenAI step. You might start with a trigger like a new form submission, a new row in a spreadsheet, or an incoming email. Feed that content into OpenAI to process it, then send the result to a destination such as Google Sheets, email, or Slack. Map the fields carefully so the output lands exactly where you want it. When you're ready, click Run once to test. Watch the modules execute, review the output, and adjust prompts or mappings if something looks off. Successful tests will show clean data flowing through each step. Finally, switch the scenario on so it runs automatically on schedule or when your trigger fires. From here, your AI-powered workflow is live and ready to save you time. And that's the whole setup.